How to fix a disappeared Wix mobile menu. So it's every web designer's nightmare. You open your site on your phone and your navigation is just gone. No hamburger icon, no links, nothing. So this year, Wix has improved its mobile layering, but the menu can still disappear due to 3 common settings. I'm showing you the diagnostic to find your lost menu and get back on screen where it belongs. So the most common culprit is that the menu was accidentally hidden. So you just go ahead and open up your Wix editor, click the mobile icon right here, and look at the left-hand toolbar. And then you need to click, if you, as you can see, if you see here on the left, hidden on mobile. So if you see the mobile menu in this list, just click the show element icon next to it. It will pop back into your header instantly. Wix sometimes hides elements automatically if they overlap too much, so always check this list first. And also guys, if it's not in the hidden list, it might be ghosting, meaning it's there, but it's buried under another element. So just click on layers at the bottom left of your editor right here and look through the header section. So we have the header here, so as you can see the mobile menu box is present. If you see the mobile menu but can't see it on the page, right-click it on the Layers panel and select Bring to Front. Often a large transparent box or a frozen header from this design update is sitting on top of your menu, making the icon invisible and unclickable. And also, if the menu is on your layers but off screen, you can also use the Expector panel. So in this year, if your coordinates x and y is negative number and or higher than 375, your menu is literally floating in dead space. So you just bring it back to 0 and the menu will jump back to the top left corner of your header. So that's it. That's how you rescue a disappearing Wix menu. If these troubleshooting steps brought your navigation back live, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and see you in the next one.